Welcome back to Ansverse, your go-to channel for amazing tech, facts, and news. Today, we're diving into an exciting app from YouTube itself, YouTube Create. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned creator, this app is here to make video editing easier, faster, and more fun. Let's explore. So, what exactly is YouTube Create? Think of it as YouTube's very own video editing app, designed to help creators edit content quickly and upload it seamlessly to their channel. It's free, super user-friendly, and packed with powerful features. It's like having a mini studio in your pocket. Now, let's talk features. What makes YouTube Create special? Here's a quick rundown. Easy video editing. Trim, crop, and rearrange clips with just a few taps. The app's intuitive interface is perfect for quick edits on the go. Built-in music library. You don't need to hunt for royalty-free music anymore. YouTube Create gives you access to a music library with tracks that are ready to use. Special effects and transitions. Want to make your video pop? Add transitions, filters, or fun effects directly from the app. Text and stickers. Highlight important moments with text overlays and stickers. Perfect for storytelling or adding flair to your videos. Seamless upload to YouTube. When your masterpiece is ready, upload it directly to your channel without any hassle. Who can benefit the most from YouTube Create? New creators who want simple editing tools. Social media influencers editing short-form videos. Even experienced creators looking for quick edits while on the go. Basically, if you create content for YouTube Shorts, Reels, or full-length videos, this app is a game changer. Let's quickly break down the pros and cons. Pros. Free and easy to use. Seamless YouTube integration. Great for quick edits. Cons. Lacks advanced features for professional editing. Limited customization compared to desktop editors like Premiere Pro. But hey, for a free app, it's hard to beat. So, what do you think about YouTube Create? Are you excited to give it a try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ansverse for more amazing tech updates, facts, and news.